Okay, so this is the Finiss Passion mountain bike. It's a overall very attractive color scheme all around, dual disc brake, and the hub is like gold color, super nice. The seat is a Finiss Passion Sports seat, perfect mountain bike seat. And the shifters are trigger shifters, Shimano trigger shifters, 7-speed, and here 3-speed over here. So overall there's 21 speed on this mountain bike. The stem and handlebar is all this dark gold color, and 3-ring spacers here. The frame has one spot for water bottle cage. Shimano front derailleur, Shimano TZ rear derailleur. The pedals are metal, they'll last longer and more robust. And the fork is a Finiss More Riding Fun. See that website. Well, it's a Finiss Sports fork, has the front suspension. So overall, this is a very beautiful, great entry-level mountain bike for someone who just got into mountain biking and want a decent bike to ride around. Highly recommend.